Good morning, students. Today we will start the chapter number 2 to chapter number 4 from your general knowledge book. So let's start with the chapter Fish Farm. There are more than 32,000 extant species of fish on the earth. This diverse species has a lot of color and shape, and that warrants attention. So let's take a tour of these fishes in this chapter. So let's start. Coelacanth are now rare order of fish. Coelacanth are large, plump, low-fine fish that can grow to more than 2 meter and weigh around 90 kg. Coelacanth is the oldest animal species in the world. They are estimated to live for 60 years or more. Now let's talk about whale shark. The whale shark is a slow-moving, filter-feeding carpet shark and the largest known extant fish species. The largest confirmed individual had a length of 18.8 meter. The whale shark holds many records for size in the animal kingdom. Beluga whale. The beluga whale is an Arctic and subarctic cetacean. It is one of the two members of the Monodontidae along with the narwhal and the only member of genus Delphinepetris. Beluga whale is the largest freshwater fish. Bristle mouth. Their name comes from their odd, equally sized and bristle-like teeth. They are typically black in color, which provides camouflage from predators in deep, dark water. Bristlemouth is the most abundant fish in the world. Devil's hole pupfish is the rarest fish in the world. The devil's hole pupfish is a critically endangered species found only in Devil's Hole, a water-filled cavern in the US state of Nevada. Herring is the most widely eaten fish in the world. Herring are forage fish. Herring often move in large schools around fishing banks and near the coast, found particularly in shallow temperate waters of the North Pacific and North Atlantic Oceans. Stonefish are the most venomous fish in the world. It is the most widespread species of stonefish, mostly found in shallow waters of the Red Sea and Indo-Pacific. Mudskipper is an amphibious fish, and the important thing about this fish is that it can live outside water too. There are around 32 living species of mudskipper. Lamprey, together with hagfish, is the most primitive form of fish living today. Lampreys are an ancient extant lineage of jawless fish. The adult lamprey may be characterized by toothed funnel-like sucking mouth. So students, this was the end of the second chapter. Now moving further to the fourth chapter. In fourth chapter, we will discuss the extraordinary facts about the ordinary animals. So let's start with the chapter. Now we all know about an elephant, but the extraordinary fact about elephant is that they walk on the tip of their toes because the rear part of their foot is boneless and fatty. Now who doesn't know about bat? Bat are the mammals capable of true and sustained flight. It is able to fly in the air. It cannot walk on land. It rests in the head down posture by hanging on to. Now the giant panda, also known as the panda bear or simply the panda, is a bear of native to South Central China. The strange fact about panda is that it has an additional thumb which supports it in grasping bamboo stem between its paws. Climbing perch is native to Asia, where it occurs from India east to China and to the Wallace Line. The strange fact about climbing perch is that it walks on land in search of water when its water hole dries up. Now bees are flying insects closely related to wasps and ants. known for their role in pollination and in the case of the best known bee species. The strange fact about bees are that bees and humans are different in detecting colors. We cannot detect ultraviolet light, whereas bees can easily detect it. We are able to see red, whereas bees are not sensitive to it. The hippopotamus are also called the hippo. Common hippopotamus or river hippopotamus is a large, mostly herbivorous, semi-aquatic mammal. The strange fact about hippopotamus is that when the hippopotamus swims underwater, its nostrils and ears close automatically. A queen termite has a long lifespan and is typically the oldest termite in the colony. Termite queens can live 25 to 50 years. The strange fact about queen termite is that it lays her eggs in a large mud castle which is defended by soldiers' termites. Tons of mud is gathered by the termites for building this tower. This tower may be 6 meters in height and 30 meters in width. So students, I hope you have understood the chapter. Now it's your turn to tell me strange facts about 3 animals in the comment section below. Thank you and have a good day.